So I've been using this controller a lot, playing Battlefield, Death Stranding, God of War, and it works extremely well, and it's very responsive. Got this PS5 controller to review. It's extremely easy to pair. It just pairs the normal way that you would, and to connect it, it's just a usual USB-C that you can use to plug right into the system if you wanted to. Charges up really quickly, and you've got 20 hours of battery life with this. This is a great alternative to the controllers that actually come with the PS5. I've gone through a bunch of controllers because of the drift stick issues. So this is a nice way to go. If you're looking for an alternative route, this is more a way that won't break the bank. What I liked about this too is that it does have these little sticks here that can come right off, and you can either choose to use them like you would normally, or you can just pop these right on. Gives you some more range and some more comfort. You can swap the sticks if you want the taller one on the right or on the left, but everything literally functions exactly the same as if it was the original PS5 controller. So there's no lag time. Everything goes exactly the way that it should. I haven't noticed any issues while playing games online. It has that natural grip. I would say that this is lighter than the actual DualShock controllers. So if you're looking for a lighter controller, that's cool. I was really surprised because there are a lot of other controllers that are out there. The buttons look the same. You've got the audio jack on the bottom, and you can use that with your headphones. It's a 3.5 audio jack. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this controller. I would say this is a great alternative if you're looking for one. So check this out.